Test driving Ford Transit, which came in with a DPF issues and other problems. It was in a limp mode. What would you like to say about your van? How is it driving now? Is there any black smoke, white smoke, anything?
No, in fact, it's probably driving better than I've ever had it. I don't know what he's done with it, but it seems to be just smooth and quicker. It is like a different van.
Different van?
Different van, definitely. Yeah.
What is your overall satisfaction?
A1, excellent.
Excellent, A1. Okay, thank you very much. Another happy customer from supremedpfcleaning.com. You can find us on Google, www.supremedpfcleaning.com, or you can reach us on 07533636194. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.